Good morning, boys and girls. For math today, you're going to need this page to follow along with my slides. I'm going to walk you through all of the pages that have a blue top. So I'm just real quick showing you the pages. And we'll go to here. And then this page where it is green and it says practice counting on to add, that is going to be your assignment after you watch this video. And this page and this page are what you are turning in on Google Classroom. So you're going to start on this first page where it has a yellow block and a red block. And my slides do not have the blocks, but it does have the same problem. It says 6 blocks are yellow, 2 blocks are red. How many blocks in all? How do you know? So what I want you to do is I want you to pause this video, and I want you to take a second to try to solve this problem using a strategy that we've talked about last week. So one more time real quick before you do pause the video, I'm going to read the problem to you one more time. 6 blocks are yellow, 2 blocks are red. How many blocks in all? Okay, go ahead and pause. Okay, did you get an answer? Says 6 blocks are yellow and 2 blocks are red. So let's see. I'm going to draw a picture. 6 are yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 blocks are red. 1, 2. Okay. How many blocks in all means that I am adding? So let me just change this. So I'm adding my yellow, which I had 6 of, and I said I'm adding, so I'm going to do a plus sign. And then my red, which I had 2. So my equation is 6 plus 2 equals. And how many did you get? Did you get 8? Awesome. So how did you know? What strategy did you use? I drew a picture. I could have said I have 6 blocks. 6, 7, 8. I could have counted on 2. Okay. That's the same one. And discussing. So counting on can help by. This just means that counting on can help by making it quicker. I drew the picture and that took a minute of my time. Whereas if I was counting on, I could have just said 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. So counting on is a quicker way of adding. And that's going to be helpful when we get into bigger numbers that takes a whole lot more time to draw a picture. So just something to think about. All right, so you have this page too. It says model it up here, and your page will say model it as well. It says find 6 plus 2. This is the same question that we just solved, or that you just solved. This is just showing you different strategies that you could use. So for this one, it says complete the addition equation with a total number of blocks. So they showed you 6 blocks and 2 red blocks. And they show you that they're starting with 6, counting on 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 equals 8. And on your page, you should write an 8 in this blank spot as well. There are 8 blocks in all. Because remember, we always label our answer. So that way we know what we're talking about. So this is one way or one strategy that you can use. This one is connecting it. So we're making connections to explain our thinking. How did you solve this problem? And how did the model it solve the problem? Did you do it the same way? Or did you do it differently? I happened to kind of do it the same way when I drew my pictures, right? I started with 6 yellow circles, and then I did the 2 red circles, which is exactly what they did. But if you just counted on without having to draw a picture, your strategy would have been different. Okay, so applying our thinking, we're going to use what we've talked about to solve a new problem now. This one says 5 blocks are yellow, 2 blocks are red. How many blocks in all? So they've already drawn the picture for us. How many blocks did they say were yellow? 5, right? So we're going to write a 5 right here because this is the number that we start counting with. When we start counting on, we always start with a bigger number. So then we count on from 5 and we say 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. And we have 7 blocks. iReady just likes to see how many times you can write the same number sometimes. Okay. Same thing, we're applying it. We're using what we've learned to solve a different problem. This one says 4 blocks are red, 2 blocks are yellow. How many blocks in all? They've drawn the picture for us. How many blocks did they say were red? 4, right? So that's the number that we're going to write here. And then we're starting to count with 4 because that's the bigger number. So we say 4, 5, 6. So our equation is 4 plus 2 equals what? 6, right? And then we always label our answer. So it is 6 blocks. How many blocks in all? Our answer is 6 blocks. Okay, here's another one. 4 blocks are yellow. 3 blocks are red. How many blocks in all? They've drawn the picture for us again. How many blocks did they draw that are yellow? 4, right? So we're going to write a 4. And we're going to start counting on. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. And to always label our answer, how many blocks in all? 7 blocks. Okay, this one I just want you to think about. You don't have this on your page, and I just want you to think about it. 5 yellow blocks, 2 red blocks. How many blocks in all? They've drawn the picture for you. And count on. I'm going to give you a second. I want you to think about it. Think of your answer in your head. Okay, so they've drawn our picture. They drew 5 yellow blocks. And then we're counting on 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. Did you get 7? All right, friends, it is your turn to practice what we have been talking about and what you have learned. So you're going to do the 2 green practice pages and turn those in on Google Classroom. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys.